Teaching and learning materials for schools in Morobe Province began its distribution process this week to the 9 districts outside of Leh. Leh district was the only district to receive all its supplies last year. Provincial Material Supply Officer Alabe Sangin said this is last year's supply, which had arrived late in November after the academic year.
There are two parts to all the curricular the materials that schools supposed to receive. One is called the curricular materials, and one is called the basic material. This material is for 2024. It arrived late in November, so we are continuing to 2025. But our target now with the company, I pressure the company that by the end of March, all distributions should have reached all the schools across the province. And they are willing to meet the target.
The company LD Logistics have been contracted to be delivering these supplies to all the districts in the province. The supplies for each district have been packed, labeled and set for delivery. Finchafen, Tewaisiasi and Kabum districts have been given priority, with their materials to be shipped over by next week. All schools are urged to follow up with tracking their materials to ensure they receive their supplies.
The contract is contracted to do the delivery to the clusters. So schools can refer to my website, PMSO's WhatsApp group, and see where their cluster points are. I also take this time to thank all those schools who have been doing their own arrangement, because we were giving time to packing, and the academic year is very important for teachers and students to use this material. So I did awareness to all the schools and invitation to those schools who are ready. They have their own finance, they have their own transport. Please pick up the materials, because our concentration with the companies that pack for the 9 districts.
These materials make up 20% of the commodity component of the government's tuition fee-free subsidy policy. Meanwhile, teaching and learning materials for 2025 is expected to be arriving later in November. Jessica Nui, National EMTV News, Leh.